Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to split screens in DaVinci Resolve. This is a fantastic technique for displaying multiple video clips side by side, perfect for comparison videos, tutorials, or creating dynamic visual storytelling. Let's jump right in and get those screens split. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Once it launches, you'll be greeted with the main interface. Now at the bottom of your screen, you'll see several tabs for different workflows. Go ahead and click on Edit. This tab is where you'll be doing most of your video editing work, and it's essential for arranging your clips on the timeline. With the Edit tab now active, look over to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the Media Pool. Click on Media Pool to access all your imported video files. This is your library of content where all your clips, images, and audio files are stored and ready to be used in your project. Now it's time to bring in your second video clip. Simply drag another video clip from the media pool down onto your timeline. Make sure you place it on a separate video track above or below your first clip. This ensures both clips can be visible simultaneously once we adjust their positioning. Next, click on the first video clip in your timeline to select it. Once it's selected, direct your attention to the top right side of the screen where you'll see the Inspector panel. Click on Inspector to open up all the detailed settings for your selected clip. This panel gives you precise control over various properties of your video. Inside the Inspector, click on Video. This section contains all the visual adjustments you can make to your clip, including transformation and cropping options that we'll be using to create our split screen effect. First, locate and click on Cropping. Here you'll adjust how much of the video frame is visible. For example, you might want to adjust the Crop Right slider to trim the right side of your video. This creates space for your second clip to occupy. Play around with these values until you've cropped the video to take up roughly half of your screen. Now go up to Transform, which is located just above Cropping. This is where you'll adjust the position X and Y values. These sliders allow you to move your video clip to exactly where you want it on the screen. For a split screen, you might shift it to the left or right side of the frame by adjusting the X position accordingly. Next, click on the second video clip in your timeline and repeat the same process. Open the Inspector again, click on Video, then adjust the cropping settings to trim the appropriate side of this clip. Then go to Transform and adjust the position X and Y values to move this clip to the opposite side of the screen, ensuring both videos fit perfectly side by side without overlapping, and that's it. You've successfully created a split screen effect in DaVinci Resolve, allowing you to showcase multiple perspectives or clips simultaneously in one frame. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.